Alfred, and today we're gonna unbox my new Kobe Mamba Rage, guys.
It's my brother's
Shoes.
Yeah. Guys, look at this.
And then I'm gonna show you what yeah.
Wow.
This is the shoes, guys.
The other one?
And yeah, and I like this part.
Yeah, that's cool.
Then
Look at the inside.
yeah.
Get what's inside? Look. Nice.
And
this is the bottom.
yeah, that's the traction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got this 2 weeks ago, but like we just got like to do a video.
Yeah, to do a video.
But we didn't. Like my brother didn't use it yet. So cool.
And I like this colorway.
But it can get dirty quick.
Yeah,
Like, cause it's white.
only the laces.
And here too, like it's white. Like white.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna show you the box.
Guys, there's something on the box and I'm gonna read it. Like, about the shoe. Fly Weave Upper provides one skin-like fit engineered for breathability, flexibility, and durability in key zonal areas. Oh, I mean, that's French. like 2, cushioning. Lunar Lin, is that French? Lunar Lin midsole for responsive cushioning. Okay, that's not French. Traction. Rubber outsole pattern designed for elite multi-directional traction. That's it. Whoa. Like this thing too. The Mamba Rage is designed to keep you light and fast on the court. Great basketball shoe for the athlete looking for quickness and speed without sacrificing cushioning, yeah.
Come
Go
on.
to the basketball court, and so like we can like
Test this
like
shoes.
test the shoe and then see if this is like
True.
true. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're back home now, and yeah.
Guys, I like these shoes, guys. I like the traction because when I was playing in the dusty court, I feel like I'm a legend or something. Like
It still feels like you're in a good court.
yeah, good court like NBA or PBA.
But it's actually just a dusty.
Yeah. And then I rate this 10 because it's worth. It's worth actually. Like I'm not lying.
You can run super fast with this.
Yeah.
Like you
Kenzie,
can
what
run.
would you rate this?
You can run like with slippers, but like you'll
Yeah,
just.
it's very light. When I was running, yeah, I feel like the support.
I would say it's a 8 or maybe 9 because like it's white, it will get dirty quickly, and like it will get dirty quick, and
Yeah.
but it's so like
Light.
light.
Yeah.
Like, you can run so fast.
I think all Kobe's are light shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, soon I'm getting the Kobe 80. I think that's new. Some PBA player using the shoes because I don't know, because it's light or something. I don't know.
You can run fast.
Yeah.
But if you like wear a slipper, it is light too, but like there's not really lots of grip on it.
Yeah.
And then like it's only like half.
I like the Kyrie's. I like the Kyrie's too. Like.
Yeah, Kyrie's good.
Yeah.
I got a Kyrie Irving one.
Yeah.
Do you want me to show it?
Yeah.
I got my Kyrie. Oh.
Kyrie 4.
It's yeah, like it's not the new one. It's kind of dirty already, but because I used it a lot already, stuff. But it's still clean. I just have to like clean the bottom because it's so dirty.
Then.
Do you want me to show it?
No.
Because it's too dirty.
And then he was using this in basketball.
Video like where we went to Central and then we did some basketball. Did you
Yeah,
see my brother's moves?
Yeah,
That's
and
good.
no, it's not good. Like I was just like doing easy for him.
Yeah, I was like kind of tired, so I didn't really want to
Yeah.
do that. Like, just try to steal
In that
it.
game, I was using the Curry 4. The Curry 4.
Yeah.
And then I like the traction too. Like I played like 10 times on the shoes. Yeah.
I picked this Kyrie 4 because it's like black and white. Well, there's white still, so.
Yeah, it's white. That's
so it
why.
can get dirty again. But look at this. Like, look at the color. Like, blue, purple. I like that.
It looks like a galaxy or something.
Yeah, Galaxy.
Yeah.
And I like Galaxy. It's like colorful. Yeah.
Yeah. And then highly recommend this. This shoe it's not that light.
What's it mean?
It's
Okay, sorry.
it's kind of heavy. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, but
But-
still good because the
No, it's
grip.
actually light still.
Yeah, because it's too small and you.
So guys, please subscribe and like if you like this Mamba race.
And this one also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like the Kyrie 4. Please, well I already said it. And share this with your family and friends, okay? Bye! Yeet!